It is filming. That ain't go for it. Do a line of. There you go. You're real close.
Is it working?
No.
Look at that.
Your mom's
What are you doing? This is literally the most terrible thing.
And he's recording it. Kevin!
Not
put this on YouTube.
Yo, Kevin, you know who loves this? Girls. You're gonna be great with girls.
Crazy psycho wenches.
It's a good thing it was styrofoam head.
Yeah.
Man, we pull up and we see this burning head and everybody's like, what?
Shut up. That's all you're doing is narrating exactly what happened.
Do you guys time this from when we got here, or is it just...
No.
Put that on YouTube.
See that
It'll
blood?
make you crazy.
See that bag of like black? Can you see if it's like
This is a natural
open?
occurrence. If the plastic is burning,
Those
that's
two are
not
too-
That's
going
gonna
down.
smell pretty bad.
Yeah, let's put that out.
Yeah, it has poisonous in
You have
it.
a fire
It's going
extinguisher?
to our ozone, so I'm gonna put that on.
No, it's fine.
No!
No, actually, it's not fine because I like our ozone.
This is really funny.
Is it?
What's inside there that's going to be burning in a second?
Water.
A wet log.
We can't lose that.
Oh my god. This made my day 10 times better.
Yeah.